overslept this morning, and now I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I'm a little bit behind. We have a new fridge as well. We're taking advantage of a post-breakfast Pokemon hunt because, you know, what's the phrase I'm looking for about taking advantage of things? Geodude. Sorry. Seizing the day. That's what it was. We are seizing the day to catch Pokemon. This is a new character in the blog. This is Amy. I'm gonna swing by an office real quick to pick up a thumb drive. That's it. Then it's back to work. USB retrieval mission successful.
Expect rain to be heavy at times, especially this evening, and then once again late tonight, so be prepared for that. 40% chance for rain.
Poor tree. What do you think it was? Do you think it was lightning? Or you think just the wind blew it down?
I don't know, it's kind of black in there.
Yeah.
But it looks really twisted.
I know. So we had this whole afternoon planned where I was going to go on the beach, walk Leo, and talk about the new Lumo instant camera that I'm reviewing. But as you can see, it's raining. So I had to go for plan B and just walk Leo down here at this little tiny river inlet thing. I mean, he's having a good time. I mean, that's all that matters. So I'm postponing the Lumo introduction of behind the scenes of the review to a later date when weather permits. For the rest of the afternoon, I think we might go to the movies, which is cool. Going to see Suicide Squad, which is, I've been hanging out to see that one for a while.
Can I get 2 adults to Suicide Squad, thanks?
Yeah, sure.
"45-degree thumb up." A more enthusiastic 45-degree thumbs up, 7 out of 10. Is that more to your liking? Apparently I wasn't enthusiastic the first time.